As you can see, this is November 30th in Globex session. Markets are going wild, making new lows here in the Globex session so far. As you can see, the Tickstrike panels are working fine, just that we don't have the stocks that are, live because it's Globex session. I don't know if you guys saw, but crude, gold, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, Russell, they're all flashing here as the markets are pretty wild here. Just trying to arrange my gauges here. This is YM, ES, and Nasdaq. Quickly looking at the market here. So we have some news coming up later on in the night in Europe. So I'll call the French and Italian economic data coming out, German as well. So you gotta follow that. As you all know, this is Financial Juice giving me the economic headlines. Also, a Bank of England spokesperson here talking tomorrow morning. So it's always ideal to check what's going on. And don't forget Fed Powell's and Yellen speak at 10 a.m. tomorrow. That's going to be a big market mover. So gotta be watching the headlines like this, especially with this kind of news now. With the Omicron, I can't even say it for God's sake. Omicron, the variant and all that. Here we are. So for traders who like to use, correlations on the commodities, gold, crude, pretty ideal. Also for Bitcoin traders, I mean, this is pretty interesting. If we go and look at the chart of Bitcoin here quickly, this is going to be a nice way to, monitor what's going on with the cryptocurrencies as well. So that's going to be one thing I'm actually going to be looking into as well. Here is, wow, look at that. I didn't even notice that, but Bitcoin is actually falling apart here. So look at that. There you are. That's Bitcoin. And quickly, also Ethereum here. They've been flashing pretty extensively. Here we are. These are the main cryptos that I'll watch, so it's good to use that. I think you guys are able to hear my once again, this is a panel that comes with Tickstrike. You're able to arrange the panels, the sounds, and all that. And here, if you go to cryptos, this is the list of cryptos that they have, the list of futures, ETFs, and all that, gold, ETFs, Nasdaq, and S&Ps. The market internals, Forex. They have a pretty good list of Forex here, which I don't really trade, but they get an aggregate information from various brokers, and they're able to give you a nice little setup here on with Forex. The main active ones are the ones that I use. I mean, stocks, correlations around stocks and the indices. So this is going to definitely be a nice way to monitor that as the markets are ticking up here. And Bitcoin and all that, they're also all kind of moving around. So here we are. Yeah, Bitcoin futures are just noise diving here. Wow. So from 59,000, we're down to 56,800 already within what the afternoon session here. So pretty interesting to see. This is TradingView, so I kind of use this just for charts purposes. And if I just show you the various um, brokers out there with their prices on Bitcoin. So once again, this is Bitcoin coming to you from TradingView. Coming back to my charts, my regular layout here. Again, look at how they're flashing here: crude, gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XLM, the main cryptos that I watch, and the indices here. Like I said, they have a way, I mean, Tickstrike basically, they have a way to put in information that's really an analysis of the relative strength of the market at the moment. So here, it's definitely a nice order flow tool, I think, that could really help when it comes to momentum correlations and monitoring a trade, kind of like a trade management way. So there's good ways to kind of use this for, confirmation as well. So this is definitely going to be a nice way to design, the relative strength of the overall indices for me in a visual manner, basically. So I think that's pretty much what I wanted to show here as I'm getting ready to kind of scalp this Globex section. Pretty interesting how, the markets really got some good volume. If you look at the ES volume profile, I mean, we've had really good volume here at the highs, and then the market broke down. So pretty interesting how things have shaped up here. And again, the main headlines coming from Asia, so good to always have an eye on that. Hope this helps. Happy trading.